Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2018 Skoda Karoq SEL. This car comes with the 1.5 petrol turbo engine and the automatic gearbox, which is ULEZ compliant, producing 148 brake horsepower and returning up to 38 miles to the gallon. The insurance group is 15 and this is a two-owner vehicle, having covered just over 38,000 miles and comes with full service history. This particular colour is the metallic petrol blue and looks in great condition for the age and mileage of the car. As we have inside, you also have the nice clean interior, the seats there being half leather and suede, also in good condition. There's an armrest and two cup holders there in the centre for the front passengers. And then onto the dashboard, you have your multimedia screen there in the centre for your Apple Carplay, satellite navigation, DAB radio and Bluetooth for your phone. A few other features like I mentioned, this particular car also has the heated front windscreen, climate control, automatic headlights and wipers, cruise control just down there on the left hand side of the steering wheel. And then on the driver's door card, you have your electric folding mirror switch with your full window controls, and that button down there is also for the electric tailgate. The Karoq's a popular car for families, so nice wide rear door opening, lots of legroom and headroom there in the back, so ideal for getting children in and out of car seats, for example. The rear bench has 3 individual seat belts, and rear passengers also have their own air vents in the centre, as well as a 12-volt charging socket, and you've got the picnic fold-away picnic tables. And it's good to see your car's got the original carpet floor mats from Skoda too. Opening the tailgate, as like I said, it's electric, reveals a really good sized boot there, with the rear seats that can be folded flat, and also the parcel shelf which cleverly lifts up with the tailgate. And underneath the boot floor, you've also got a space saver wheel, so that's great to see these days. Externally, the car comes with LED headlights, front and rear parking sensors, the 18-inch alloy wheels, and also a colour reversing camera. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind. And you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we can help you finance the car with no deposit up to 5 years. So if you have any questions or if you'd like to book a test drive, then please do give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.